So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up automatic weekly Solana buys here on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, I'm going to go to the bottom, press on Explore, which I'm on right now, go to the top, press on Search, and I'm going to type in Solana, or at least ticker symbol SOL, and then press on Solana that way. Once you're here, go to the bottom right, press on Buy. Now type in the amount of Solana you want to buy per week. So if you wanted to buy $50, you can type in 50, and then where it says one time, select that. Make sure that weekly selected, and then press on confirm, and then press on the purple arrow. So once you're on this page, you can kind of review the transaction here. So you can see the amount that you'd be buying per week, the fee, the total price, the frequency. Make sure that weekly is showing, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on confirm, and then proceed that way. So that is how to set up automatic weekly Solana buys on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.